Hi, this is Alexandra at Beadaholique, here to show you how to make a charm bracelet with seed bead accents. So in this video, we'll be making a themed charm bracelet back to school. We'll be using some 3.7mm Rolo chain, a toggle clasp, some really sweet enameled charms, and a date charm. I've got a 1.5mm sized ball head pin, some size 6.0 seed beads, Czech glass, and they come in this mix of opaque rainbow, and some 4mm jump rings. For tools, we've got some flush cutters, round nose pliers, and chain nose pliers. So this would be a wonderful project to customize any way you want with a wide variety of charms that we offer here at Beadaholique.com. So let's get started. I'm going to take my chain, which is cut right now at a foot, and I'm going to cut that down to the size that we'll want. And I'm going to take into account the size of my clasp. So to do that, maybe you should just bring it up here to see how much space that's going to take. Also considering the little jump rings, I'm thinking if I cut the chain at about 6 inches, that's going to give me a 7-inch bracelet. So let's find that approximate length there. I'll use my flush cutters to get in and clip that. And so first we can attach our clasp, and we'll do that using a couple of 4mm jump rings. Now some of these I've opened up already for ease of use, but let me open one just to demonstrate. I'm going to bring that up and find the opening. These are open jump rings. And with 2 pairs of pliers, I'm just going to grip on one side and on the other and twist it. Then I'll slide on the end link on one side of my chain. There it is. And I'll also slide on the loop on one side of my toggle clasp. And with both pliers, twist that closed. So we'll do that on the other side. And these jump rings are 20 gauge, which is nice and thick, and that makes it a very stable connection. Pick up the other side of my toggle and close it up. And once I've got the length that I want, I'm going to bring it back up to my ruler and start placing the charms where I think they should go. Now since I have 4 charms, one's not going to sit in the very center if I space them evenly. So you'll also notice that these adorable little buses face both directions and would make a great pair of earrings. So I'm going to bring these out toward the end, bring in this cute enameled chalkboard, I guess, and my little 20-20 charm, thinking ahead. And I'll start to attach those onto my links of chain the same way, just by taking my jump ring, the loop of my charm, and bring up a link. Now if you want to be meticulous and count the links, of course you can. For the purposes of this video, I'm being approximate. These links on the Rolo chain are fairly thick. Close that up. Now what I could do here to find the even link on the other side is line it up like so and match it with my eye. So this link looks good. Slide on my other bust charm. This would be an adorable gift for a teacher in your life or for yourself if you are one. All right, so coming around, bring these back in and get another jump ring. We have a variety of different dates as well if you have a commemorative day that you celebrate. Great for graduations also. So now I'm finding, let's see, I'm about 1 inch from the clasp. I'm going to come in another 1.5 inches or so Slide my charm on. Bring in my final jump ring for my final charm. And of course you can always add on more charms if you collect them. That's a fun thing. And pick my last link. So my charms are spaced approximately, giving a nice weighted feel to my piece. And now what I'm ready to do is take one of my head pins, and what I'm going to do is pick two colors of these really bold, almost primary colored beads, and create some wrapped wire loops on the top. So for that, I'm going to grip with my round plier and angle at 90 degrees off the top of my plier, reposition so that one round prong is on the top, and create my loop. And before I close that, I'm going to open it a little bit and slide it halfway between two of my charms. Onto a link, grip flat on my loop, and with my other plier, coil around the base. And I'm just filling that space, making a standard wrapped wire loop. And clip the tail with my flush cutters. And tuck in whatever needs to be tucked. All right. Now I'll pick my next set of colors, and this is going to add a really nice pop. I think I'll get some navy blue with a little bit of turquoise. And do the same thing. Create another loop to latch on between two more of my charms. Gripping flat and coiling. I like these ball head pins because they really give a nice finished look to designs. All right. I choose another couple of colors. This time I'm going to take a green and a purple. And slide that one between my final two charms on this side. Okay. Now this is just a suggestion. This technique, this accent, you can always add more. In fact, I think I'm just going to add two on either side and call it done for now. This time over here, I think I need some red and yellow. Create my next wrapped wire loop. Latch it on. These head pins being 21 gauge are nice and thick too. I could do simple wire loops if I chose. It feels a little more secure to get that coil around the top. And by buying this mix of opaque rainbow, you really get a lot of color choices without having to buy a whole bunch of different strands of beads. So that's a nice thing. Over here, I think I'm going to add some green with a turquoise. Create my last loop. Slide it on. And close it up. I really liked the idea of making this themed charm bracelet. I've actually got 3 kids of my own, and they'll be going back to school here pretty soon, so I just thought, well, that is very cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. All these beads and supplies are available at Beadaholique.com, and please visit our YouTube channel and subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.